The members of the Occupational Health and Safety section have been speaking out for the health, safety, and well-being of workers, communities, and the environment since 1914. And by the way, this is their 100th anniversary, and so they're having their birthday party here at APHA. Five of the section members have become APHA president. CEA Winslow in 1926, Louis Dublin in 1932, Tony Robbins in 1983, Barry Levy in 1997. Hi, Barry, I see you down there. And Linda Ray Murray in 2011. And Linda, I think you're out there as well. Give them a great round of applause. Today, this section has over 700 members representing many disciplines from medicine and epidemiology to law and journalism. They speak out for worker protections and the right to a healthy work environment, whether it's the potential hazards of long-term use of video display terminals, the health risk of lead exposure, or the protection of child and adolescent workers. Section members are at the front lines of occupational health and safety. So here to receive the award is Occupational Health and Safety Section Chair, Dr. Kathy Kirkland. Now, some of you may already know is that in addition to being chair of the section, Kathy is the executive director of the Association of Occupational Environmental Clinics. She is an ardent defender of workers' rights and a staunch behavior that every person is entitled to a safe and healthy environment. Dr. Kirkland, I am pleased to present you with this award in recognition of the section's 100th anniversary.
Well, actually, I have one correction to make. We just got our membership report. We have 900 members at the moment. And in return for our award, I would like to present this copy of New Solutions, which celebrates our 100th anniversary, and we have more copies if you want them. They're going to be at the OHS booth at All Things APHA. It's a history of the section over 100 years. The Occupational Health and Safety section is honored to be given this certificate for our 100 years of work. This week we'll be celebrating, but we're also recognizing all the work that remains to be done. In 1914, when the section started as the Industrial Hygiene section, we were fighting for the reduction of silica exposure. Fast forward to 2014, the section's renamed. We're still fighting for the reduction of silica exposure. Ditto for lead. The level of concern for CDC for children is 5 micrograms per deciliter. The 2020 goal for adults is 10 micrograms per deciliter. The OSHA standard for workers doesn't remove them from exposure till they hit 50. In addition, new occupational concerns arise every day. Ebola has panicked many people. Instead of ensuring that employees have effective infection control panels and providing education and personal protective equipment, what we're seeing is stigma and fear. Irrational fear quarantined nurse Casey Hickox in a tent in New Jersey. It forced APHA to disinvite members who had the courage to fight Ebola in West Africa before this meeting in Louisiana. More importantly to the occupational health section, the only people who have contracted Ebola in the U.S. were two nurses, Amber Vinson and Nina Pham. They were not provided with adequate training or effective personal protective equipment while caring for a desperately ill patient. This in spite of assurances that U.S. hospitals were well prepared. This issue raises a more important question. Who's training the people who do our hospital work, such as the laundry, the environmental services, AKA the trash people? The OHS section continues to work on all OHS problems, new and old. But one of the things we've done this year is we've introduced a late breaker policy on Ebola and infectious disease with an emphasis on occupational health and safety. We will continue to fight for occupational health and safety until all workers' voices are heard, their dignity respected, and their lives and health secured. Thank you for this award.